Hey man, you know your boy The Ventures always keep it real with y'all, and I seen some info regarding the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris that we gotta talk about, and I think that this right here is officially going to be a problem. You guys already know what that entails. You already know what that means. Let's chop it up about the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris before it's too late, before people start thinking stuff gonna be sweet. Do not sleep, or you're gonna be one of them ones paying resale for the Ferrari 14s. Let's talk about it in today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tuning in or tapping back in with the channel. Of course, if you guys are new here, you know what we do over here, man. We talk about shoes, talk about releases, major updates regarding upcoming Nike releases, Jordan drops, just to keep everybody in the loop in the sneaker community. So if you guys are into that, you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And make sure you guys run them likes up. You guys know, man, YouTube channels thrive off likes and comments, and we got to keep that engagement up. We got to keep that momentum going and show YouTube you guys are rocking out with the vibes, man. You already know what's up, bro. It's your boy The Ventures, always keeping it real, 100% authentic with you guys. So if you do me a couple of those solids, liking the videos, subbing up to the channel, that'd be greatly appreciated, man. All right, you guys seen by the thumbnail and the title, we're going to be discussing the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris. Now, this one right here is one of those sneakers where people are going to be like, yo, do I put full energy and all effort towards the Ferraris or the Great Fives, which I do think are two of the most anticipated releases for the month of June. The Great Fives, of course, going to be a lot of OG sneakerheads trying to get those. And of course, you know, up there in the running for sneakers of the year, top 10s, top 15s. You got to include the Ferraris, you got to include the Grapes, but these right here might be a totally different story in terms of how you cop them and how you're going to secure them and get them for, you know, hopefully that retail dub. Because we seen some news the other day, and it was kind of puzzling. This is from a page that has been putting out real good information regarding sneakers, and it is rumored to only have 21,000 pairs of the Ferrari 14s on the Nike sneakers app. So I just showed you guys 21K stock on the sneakers app. So that kind of just sets the tone and set the mood for pairs getting distributed out to these brick and mortar spots, Foot Locker, JD, Finish Line, and stuff like that. That means the stock there is going to be very, very limited as well. And typically with Air Jordan 14s, we don't see them on FLX. We usually do see them on a couple of, you know, spots in JDs and Finish Line and stuff like that. But 14s, they're not out there like that. They're not out there like a traditional, you know, regular GR release like a Jordan 4, a Jordan 5, a Jordan 1. 14s are almost safeguarded from Nike because it's almost like, you know, could do very, very well or it could do very, very terrible. But given the history and given what these did back in like 2012 when these were released, or 2013, I can't remember the year, people were all over them. But kind of history repeats itself. We've been getting retros, we've been getting, you know, reimagined sneakers from Jordan and Nike, and they don't typically do as well, or they don't do as good sometimes. It could be a flop, it could be a hit. It just all depends on kind of what's going on. And again, we got two major releases. We got the Ferrari 14s and we had the Great Fives. Nobody is really paying all their money. They ain't going out there and paying $230 every 2 weeks for you know, a Jordan sneaker. So again, it could be like people putting all the energy towards these or the Great Fives. And given the fact that people love hype sneakers, they love when things are limited, I do think that people will put all their energy and efforts towards grabbing these Air Jordan 14 Ferraris. That's just, you know, based off of what we've been seeing in the past. People love hype. The hype is real, bro. You hear limited anything and everybody and their mom want to pair out of nowhere. But again, Air Jordan 14s are always, you know, the less stock in terms of the silhouettes from Jordan brand. Of course, the 14s, the 15s, and even sometimes the 9s. We don't see a lot of 9s. We don't see a lot of 8s because those silhouettes don't do as well as a Jordan 1, a Jordan 4, Jordan 3, some of those staple Jordan silhouettes. But given the fact that we only have 21K stock on the sneakers app, kind of hints at these will be very, very slim pickings. It's gonna be hard to grab these things for retail, especially if you are sleeping. So I'm here to tell you guys right now, bro, do not sleep. I'm telling you guys right now, if you sleep, you're gonna be paying that resale. And I just checked the resale like literally right before recording this video, and they're still up there in the 300s, and they release next week, bro. They release next week and they're still over 300 bucks. So this is gonna be one of the ones, almost like a Black Toe 14 release. You know, some of those other staple Air Jordan 14 releases we have gotten over the years, they're not going to sit like people might think they will do, bro. The Ferraris are going to fly, they're going to move. And again, people gonna say, you know what, out of nowhere, I love the 14, I love the Ferraris, because they hear that limited, you know what I'm saying, name attached to it. But people don't realize, bro, 14s are always limited in terms of the other Jordan silhouettes that we do get from Nike. So you can be one of those people that's straggling to the release, that ain't putting in their leg work, their footwork, and you're gonna be that person paying 300 plus for the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris. I don't think they're gonna drop too much more, maybe high twos on the release date. But other than that, bro, of course, those big sizes, size 12, size 13 and stuff, people gonna be getting hit upside the head, paying resale for this sneaker because it is one of those limited drops. And touching back up on the grapes, I do think that, you know, when people start taking the L's for the Ferraris, I'm just keeping it real. When people start taking the L's for these, they're gonna switch all energy and efforts towards the grape 5s. And then people gonna be like, you know what? I don't even really want Ferraris. It was the grapes all along, but that's all a part of the game, bro. That's what Nike's doing to it, bro. They making us pick and choose. They building that hype. They building that anticipation up for releases. And things have not been as easy to get as last year, especially the year before last, where literally everything was sitting on. So I'm pretty sure around tomorrow or Monday, we will be, you know, seeing these on JD and Finish Line for EA. We're gonna start seeing them pop up on, you know, certain locations for Foot Locker and Champ Sports. So make sure you keep your eyes peeled open. Make sure you try to do your best, your due diligence, hitting up your local, you know, detailers, Jimmy Jazzes, seeing how they're doing the releases. They're doing, you know, a first come, first serve. They're doing raffles, because these, I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be one of those releases where you're like, dang, I wish I did have a plug, or I wish I did put a little bit more energy and effort towards in terms of copping them for retail, because nobody likes paying resale for sneakers. Like, I hate paying resale. Sometimes I gotta do it, of course, with creating content. I'm here to help you guys out so you don't have to pay that resale. Put your legwork in. Let this be, you know what I'm saying? Let this be a message for me, bro. Put your legwork in, especially if you're anticipating the Ferrari 14s. Do not sleep, man. I was really on the fence about going out there and snagging these because I did have the older pair of the Ferraris. Both of them still look super, super clean in my honest opinion. But if you do have the older pair, something you're gonna notice off rip is that the suede on the older pair is just super crazy, super thick and tumble. And in comparison to the 2025s, it's definitely not as suede-ish, if I had to put a word to it. A very, very low grade suede. I don't know why they went back in terms of quality, but it's still a fire pair of sneakers, don't get me wrong. So again, man, we got a stacked month. We got Ferraris, we have grapes, we got foam posits, we got flight posits, we got the Dunks released today. So if you guys did hit on those, I think it was Haley something, it was like a collab or something like that. If you guys hit on those SBs, let me know in the comment section. I was on the fence and on the verge of even entering for them, but I'm not a big SB fan. It's like onesies and twosies that I do like, almost like a hype beast when it comes to the SBs, if I'm being completely honest, bro. Like, cause I ain't gonna go out there really rocking a pair of Dunks. I'd rather go, you know, rock a pair of Jordan 1s, cause I had like over 30 pairs of those, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys hit on the SBs, let me know in the comment section. It's still a super clean colorway. Again, I told y'all in the June release calendar, I'm good on them all the way, just because I'm not really a big SB guy, but if you like it, I love it. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Sub up to the channel if you're new. Hit that like button, hit the comment section, let me know what you think the release for the Air Jordan 14 Ferrari is gonna look like. Do you think it's gonna be easy? Do you think it's gonna be difficult? How do you see it happen? How do you see it unfolding? But me right now, bro, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna come up on here on the release date, I think it's June 14th, and everybody's gonna be like, yo, the vintage, you were right. I can't wait for the comments. But again, put your legwork in. That's what I'm here for, bro. I ain't trying to prove y'all wrong. Just put your legwork in, and you should be able to get a pair of Ferraris for retail. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.